Hello, my name is Valeria and this is a tutorial on how to do chair pose or Uktanasana. I'm going to show you from the side. Let's stand with the feet right below the hips. You can also do this with your feet together, but that depends on how well you can keep your balance with your feet together and also the width of your hips. Toes are facing forward. Just shift your weight forward and back, and then imagine those 4 points of contact on your feet. It's very important that you feel that you can root down through the feet onto the floor. We're going to start bending the hips towards the back. And if you look down, make sure that when we lower the hips, we're not bringing the knees forward. People do this a lot at the beginning of their practice. When bending the hips, they bring the knees towards the front. Knees stay behind the toes, and we lower through the hips. Now, I want you to stop here. Bring the attention to your chest by lifting the chest, engage your abdomen. Bring one hand to your lower abdomen and the other one to your lower back. And notice if you're overarching the back, keeping your abdomen engaged will lengthen the lower back. Bring your hands back to your thighs. Inhale on the exhale. See if you can go a little lower onto the back. You can keep the hands on the hips or bring the hands in prayer pose. That will help you keep your balance. Stay, lift all 10 toes. Inhale here one more time. Exhale and fold completely. From this forward fold, feel that you can rest your ribs on top of your thighs and bend your knees enough that you can start lifting your chest. Your hands are down, reaching to the floor. Inhale, exhale, and lift your chest slightly higher, keeping this bend on the knees, your abdomen engaged. Hands on the hips, prayer hands. You can bring your arms forward. And in its full expression, you can raise your arms up, bringing the biceps by the ears. Take one more breath here. Exhale, push the floor away, hands together and towards the center of the chest.